2004 Mercedes V8 compressor E55. So this one's a fun project to do, guys. Let me show you guys what we've done. So it's got long tube headers on each side. We didn't do this part because they're a pain to do. So he took it to a mechanic shop. They did it. Put this X pipe for him. And then we started from here and ran 3-inch into 2.5 in the middle to be able to fit it. Had to put sleeves and a bunch of stuff to make it fit. Added an X pipe in, a true flow X pipe. Then he brought his own C63 AMG rear mufflers that we used. As you guys can see right there. We had to reuse the ones from the E55 here on the mid pipes because the C63 will not fit. They're not the same size. Then we had to fabricate hangers, a bunch of stuff to make the mufflers fit, but they're supposed to sound a lot different with the muffler, with this setup. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear that and see what you think. All right, E55 compressor, supercharged AMG with C63 AMG rear mufflers, mid resonator delete with X pipe and long tube headers. All right, stay tuned. Here we go. That's a nice startup right there, bro. It's still good at idle too, so it's not bad. You gotta remember, it's been sitting, so it's a little bit cold, not really. It's right at 75. Rev it. Is that it? You happy? Rev it up! That's German at its best. You're right. Sounds a lot better than when you first brought it in with the missing pieces. I would say so. That sounds phenomenal. Again? So this is a very famous mod apparently on these vehicles. So we're happy to be able to help him out. Here's sound decibels. Right at 113. That's insane. I love it. Go ahead and back it out. There's the stock resonator that was on it and the stock 2 mufflers. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Back to the action. Here we go. V8 compressor supercharged beast. AMG. She's ready. That sounds phenomenal. Let you guys hear on the inside. It's got a stage 2 tune, 76 millimeter pulley, something bigger cooling system. So it's built for the road and it's fully tuned. He just needed that exhaust. We got it hooked up for him. So here we go. Let's see what this thing can do. You guys ready? I am. So it's got X-pipe, long tube headers, a C63 AMG mufflers. Dude, that sounds sick. Wow, beast mode. I love it. Enjoy, guys. You can still hear it.